am so hungry. Woke up way too late, kind of slept in on a Saturday. But we're gonna go to the water taxi and go to the Fort Lauderdale air show. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'll take you guys with us. Definitely me in the morning. We're on our way to, I gotta turn on the radio first. We're on our way to the air show and the water taxi, and we hit really bad traffic.
Yeah, clearly.
But it's okay, we got our Einstein bagels, so that's all that matters. We're at the first taxi stop. We are just waiting for the taxi. It's supposed to be here every 30 to 45 minutes. So we're just chilling and just waiting for it. I think one thing that we want to mention, if you guys ever do this, is to have your phone ready for tracking the water taxi. You can see the different taxis and where they're at. And you just wait for it to get here. So it's a way just to track the boat. You guys just saw that because that was pretty cool. We just stopped at Taco Bell, probably the most expensive Taco Bell. But we got a freeze, overpriced, but it's all right. But we're gonna walk a little closer to see the air show, see what's going on and everything.
Supposedly the Blue Angels are starting soon.
Yeah, supposedly the Blue Angels. So we're gonna check it out. That was sick.
We just left the beach area after the air show. It was really cool. We got to see the Blue Angels fly really close by, a few other types of planes, so that was really fun. We stopped to get some Starbucks after, and they actually kind of messed up our order, and it took a really long time. So we ran all the way down here, and the water taxi was still here, but they didn't have any more room on board. So we're just chilling out here now, waiting for the next water taxi to come, and we're gonna just keep checking out what else they have on the intercoastal, what the stops are.
Yeah. If you ever do the water taxi in Fort Lauderdale, just know there's a single deck one, so there's not many people on it. There's a double decker that has more people. But we're gonna go to Las Olas and just grab a quick bite to eat or something like that. So see you guys there. We just got off at stop number 1 at Las Olas. We're gonna get some, just a little bit of food really quick, get some food. But we're at the new river area, Las Olas area in Fort Lauderdale. We might show this area later in a different video, but give you a few clips of what it looks like. Empanadas, guac, and I don't know if it's guac, it's green, I don't know. Look at these empanadas, they're stamped. It's so cool. And this is a chicken one.
Wait, that's really...
And then the one down there is beef.
Wait, I actually love that because now we don't have to guess.
Look at that. Probably the best empanadas I've ever had in my life. But we're gonna have the Hawaiian one. It's upside down. And then what are we gonna do after that? We're gonna feed tarpon, whatever we have. Yeah. So hopefully I get my hand bit off. So we'll see how that goes. Find some fish. She's gonna do the first one.
Oh, these are kind of...
Look at them. Here, let me get some detail.
They're kind of...
Oh, yeah.
They're kind of gross. Whoa. That scared me.
Look how big this one is. I'm not giving this to you.
Oh, but he needs to eat.
It's not messed up, it's the battery.
Last one.
Last one.
Throw it in there.
Me?
Wow. They're hungry. Okay, we're done. Sam got a battle scar. Alright, so we're at 15th Street Fisheries. Turn around, get a little better shot. There we go, it's right behind us. Just stop 3 if you're keeping track. I know we're kind of all over the place, but we just fed the fish there. That was a lot of fun. I was trying to get them to come out of the water, but it's definitely worth the experience. We're going to get back on the taxi, head back home, and take you guys with us. Tip jar. Oh, it's right there. Couldn't find it. Thank you.
All right, we finally made it back to the car. It was a really fun-filled day. We're pretty tired though. We're gonna go grab a late night bite somewhere, but yeah, it was awesome. We got a really cool view of the air show. We got to see some areas of Fort Lauderdale that we really haven't gotten to explore yet. So we're just kind of thinking of some pros, cons, tips. So I guess a big tip that we would say is that if you go on a busy weekend like we did, make sure that you give yourself plenty of time between like different activities that you might plan. If you make dinner reservations at one of the stops, for instance, maybe don't wait until the last minute to get to that stop. Give yourself plenty of time, because we just found that sometimes the taxis would come and they wouldn't have enough room, so we'd have to wait for another one, and that can sometimes tag on an extra hour or so to your wait. So yeah, just be mindful of that.
Yeah, overall it's a great way to see not all of Fort Lauderdale, but like kind of the city area, Las Olas, the Fort Lauderdale beach. That's kind of like the area that it covers for the most part. We spent like a little over $100 for food plus the water taxi. Keep in mind we were here for the air show, so they had a discount for the water taxi tickets. So if you come down here, you know, when there's not a discount, you're obviously going to spend like a little bit more for the tickets to ride that water taxi.
But to be fair, parking was more expensive because the air show, so it really might not end up being too much if you come on a weekend where there's not an event like that.
It could like balance out. I can't really think of anything else, so like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to keep making more content, things in South Florida, and we'll see you guys next time. See ya.
Bye.